Disclaimers. Welcome to our channel, World's Every Country. I am your Sam. This channel talks about the facts of world's every country. In this video, we are going to see about the interesting facts of the country, Brunei. Official name, Brunei Darussalam. Brunei's capital is Bandar Sri Begawan. The flag of Brunei. The red crest consists of crescent facing upwards, joined with a parasol with hands on the sides. Black and white stripes run across the flag. Brunei's total area is 5,765 square kilometers. Population estimate for the country is approximate 0.5 million people. Major religion of Brunei is Islam. Malay and English are the major languages. Brunei's currency is Ringgit Brunei. Brunei gains its independence from the United Kingdom on 1st January 1984. National bird is sea eagle. Simpor flower tree is the national tree. Mount Fanspan, the tallest mountain at 3,143 meter height. Mekong River is the longest river, 4,350 kilometer long. Brunei's tallest building is Bangunan Kementerian Keuangan, 120 meters height. Brunei is a tiny country located on the island of Borneo in Asia. It's Asia's fourth smallest country after the Maldives, Singapore and Bahrain. Brunei is the second richest country in the Asia when measured by GDP per capita. It is the 11th richest country in the world. Brunei has huge oil and gas resource. Oil and gas exports is over 90% of Brunei's total exports. Brunei has the largest oil fields in Southeast Asia, although they are expected to run dry within 30 years. One of the Brunei's famous landmark is Billionth Barrel Momentum, which commemorates the billionth barrel of oil produced at the Shria oil field in 1991. The country's full name is Brunei Darussalam, which is Arabic for Brunei Abode of Peace. According to Chinese and Arab records, the country of Brunei exists as early as the 7th and 8th century AD at the mouth of Brunei River. The Sultan of Brunei, Hassanal Bolkiah, is one of the world's few remaining absolute monarchs. In 2014, Brunei became the first East Asian country to adopt strict Islamic Sharia law. It allows punishments such as stoning for adultery and amputation for theft. Brunei Sultan is the world's second longest reigning royal after Britain's Queen Elizabeth. He has been in power since 1967. The Sultan is the second richest monarch in the world after the King of Thailand. He is believed to have a net worth of at least 20 billion USD. He also lives in the world's largest residential palace, the Istana Nurul Iman. The palace covers 200,000 meters square. It is a Guinness World Record. One of the Brunei's most famous landmark is the Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque. The main dome is made of 3.5 million piece of glass mosque overlaid with real gold leaf. Citizens of Brunei do not pay income tax. Brunei is one of the just 13 countries which have an individual income tax of 0%. Despite its tiny size, Brunei is home to an array of rare wildlife. 70% of the country is covered by forest. Thanks for watching this video. To show your love, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell button.